Hello from the beautiful Nice in France. It is an amazing day here. What we're going to do today is show you how to live like a local in Nice, France for one day. We've just been to the Tabac and we're going to go and grab some coffee and croissants, so come join us. First thing to do if you're living in Nice is go out for coffee and croissants. Just watch the world go by. Breakfast, coffee done, so now it's time to go and grab a drink. Before we go to the beach, we're going to check out this amazing flea market.
Fake hands. Look, this one's still got the bloody app in it.
How cool was that? So actually, before going to the beach, we're going to go and grab some lunch. There's a really nice bagel place about 5-10 minute walk away. So we're going to go and grab some bagels, then we'll finally head to the beach. Rachel got the Isidore, which is one with cream cheese. I got the Josephine, which is the only vegan one they do with hummus. So yeah, everybody's here, all the families are here, relaxing, enjoying themselves. There's even some people working here, just lying on the beach with their laptops, just working. Amazing. So I think we're going to chill here for a bit, and then we're going to go and hit one of our favourite bars in Nice. Okay, so we've escaped the searing heat of the beach, and it's actually really windy on the beach as well, so not only was it really hot, really windy. We've escaped to the old town where we're sitting in the shade and it's a lot cooler. So I'm just going to sit here probably for an hour or so, just relax, watch the world go by. Absolutely nothing better. Of Nice is so beautiful, and there's not a lot better than just walking around, especially when it's empty like it is now. It's absolutely beautiful. Good thing about being here is it's quite close to Italy, and there's lots of incredible Italian food as well. You get a lot of Italian people as well. It's really not that far away at all. Traditional foods in Nice is socca, which is this chickpea flatbread. So it's deep fried, and you can have it plain. It's gluten free as well, which is amazing. We have these, which are beignets with aubergine and courgette, deep fried. Not very healthy, but everyone in Nice loves them. So yeah, let's tuck in. How is it?
Really good.
That is delicious. After all that stodge, let's go and get some ice cream. We're actually really close to the Italian border here, so the ice cream is out of this world. So let's go and grab some. How is it?
Really good. Little buffalo biscuits.
Nice.
But an ice cream.
Right, time for happy hour. Happy hour in the bar of the Hostel Oz. Yeah, it's been a tiring day, so we're going to enjoy the drinks, then we're going to have a nice relaxing evening like everybody else did. So thanks for joining us, and see you guys soon.